Hello everyone, this is Ricky and today we're working on problem 29. So we're told that the volume of a sample of oxygen gas changed from 10 milliliters to 11 milliliters as the temperature changed. Is this a chemical or a physical change? So this is a physical change. And what we see happening here is if this is a closed container with a top that can be